Let's start with the basics. Electricity is the flow of minute charged particles of energy through conductors, in our case, wires. Here is a sample of a simple circuit and the basis of understanding how electricity works. Here we have a power source supplying us electricity. The black wire leads power away from the power source. When electricity is flowing through a wire in this fashion, it is said to be a hot wire. The black wire delivers electricity to a device, in this case, a light. The electricity energizes the light filament and then returns to the power source by way of this white wire. This is also called the neutral wire. Once the current reaches back where it started, it creates what we call a complete circuit. As long as there are no breaks in this loop, the circuit will continue to conduct electricity. At any point along this path, were the path to be interrupted, the circuit would be broken and the flow of electric current would stop immediately. Additionally, in our example, a third wire called the ground is present. This wire serves as an alternative pathway to return the electricity back to the power source if at any time an accident were to occur. By code, this ground wire is either a green or bare copper wire. We will discuss more about this later.
Just to elaborate a bit on that most basic of electrical circuits that they show, just to describe the flow of electricity, of course you won't see a light bulb or a light socket taken right out of the meter base like that. It's just broken down to the most simplest form just to keep the diagram nice and simple and help you understand the flow of electricity.